All right, sales tax. We're going to learn how to calculate how much your total will be if you buy something that has tax on it. So in BC, our sales tax is 12%, and I want you to get in the habit of estimating your total first. So to estimate tax, we'll use 10% because it's easier. So first thing, estimate. So we've got $90 shoes. So that's the cost of the shoes. 10% of 90, so let's just review. 10% can be written as a fraction or as a decimal. 10 out of 100 is kind of the same as 1/10. And a percentage of a number can also be written as a percentage times a number. So 10% of 90 is, well, 1/10 of 90 is $9. And you can use a calculator for this if you want. You can do 0.1 times 90. So that 9 represents how much money we'll be paying in tax, approximately. Remember, we're still estimating. So 90, cost of the shoes plus the $9 tax is about 99. And once you do this often enough, you'll just be able to do it in your head. And then you'll have a good idea of how much something will cost with the tax. So now let's figure out exactly how much it costs. We're going to do 12%, and you can write 12% as 12 hundredths, or 12 hundredths like a decimal. So 12% of 90. I'm going to use my calculator here. $10.8. And if this is money, that really means $10.80. So this is how much tax we're paying. To find the total of our shoes, it's the original price, $90, plus the $10.80. So 90 plus 10 is 100, and then we've got our 80 cents. And our estimate was $99, so that was pretty close. It's just a little bit higher. And that makes sense because 12% is higher than 10%. Okay, next example. A set of golf balls costs $20. The sales tax is 12%. Find the total cost. So the estimate would be 10% of 20. So 1/10 of 20 is $2. The original price of 20 plus 2 gives us an estimate of $22 for a total. Now we find the actual sales tax. So 12% of 20. You might be able to do this without a calculator too if you want. So my calculator says 2 4/10, but I know if I'm talking about money, that's $2.40. So I add my tax onto my original price, 20 plus 240, which gives me $22.40. So step 1, estimate using 10%. Step 2, find the tax by multiplying 12% of the number, then add that onto your initial price. That gives you your total.